I'm just gonna let y'all get a close up. Like, look at this, y'all. Look at the shine. Look at the definition. It's crazy.
I'ma get rich. Cause niggas living like a. I said time to hold shit down. But they gon' fuck the night up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I received some products. Now I've been hiding these products from you guys for months, and it's because I wanted to wait until they're out there on the market, and then when I found out they're actually available in stores, I got sent more products. So these products just kind of got put on the back burner. I received these products around May or June, right around the time when I first got my hair colored. What I received was the Carol's Daughter Coco Creme line. The line consists of a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a curl enhancing butter. Keep in mind, this isn't like a sponsored video or anything. This is basically, I really felt like if you guys are interested and if you guys go out and purchase this line, I feel like it'll be very beneficial to your hair's health. It'll make a difference in your styling routine. This is basically like a free shout out for Carol's Daughter, and I don't really know how I feel about that. I don't really like doing videos like this unless I'm getting paid. So I don't know, I just felt like this line was too good just to not make a video about it for y'all. Before anything, I want you guys to stop this video. I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click my notification bell so that you're notified for my posts. I don't know what's going on with YouTube recently, but a lot of people are not being notified for my posts, and I really feel like it's kind of affecting my views. So anyway, back to Carol's Daughter. This line was formulated for kinky, coily type hair, so I was actually very surprised when they contacted me because, I mean, let's be real, I barely have type 4 hair as it is. So I'm gonna start with the shampoo. The shampoo, it had a really nice lather. It was very rich, and it was actually kind of creamy for a shampoo. And it did have a lather despite being a sulfate-free shampoo. That's another thing. These products don't have any sulfates or silicones or anything like that. And I was actually surprised at how easily I was able to rinse the shampoo out of my hair. I'm not gonna cap y'all. This was not the best shampoo, but it's not a bad shampoo. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it a 7, maybe round it up to 8, just for the scent. The scent for these products are amazing. Think of, all right, if you black, think of the cocoa butter lotion that everyone's mama used to have. You guys know what I'm talking about, that cocoa butter lotion, and it was like in a tan bottle. It smells just like that. That's what this line smells like. So my second favorite product from the whole line was the conditioner. Behind the scenes, off camera, I was using this conditioner like non-stop, and I think Carol's Daughter actually made the mistake of sending me 2 boxes, so I have 2 of everything. I've used at least half the bottle for both conditioners. So the conditioner was very creamy, it was very moisturizing, it had a lot of slip. Like, this is one of my favorite conditioners, easily a 10 out of 10. The next product is the deep conditioner, which compared to all the other products, I was not really impressed. I felt like the deep conditioner was like the conditioner just in a jar. So whenever I use the whole line, I just slap the deep conditioner on top of the conditioner. But just in comparison to the other products from this line, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Lastly, the product that left me utterly shook was the curl enhancing butter. This product is literally the thickest product that I will ever use. When I first tried it, I was like, okay, I can see why this is catered more towards type 4 hair. I really didn't think my hair would be able to handle such a heavy product. A little goes a long way. It's super moisturizing, and even though it's like a butter, it's got some hold. Like, it's not gonna leave your hair with a crunch or anything. It gives your hair like a nice soft hold, leaves it very moisturized. The butter is easily a 10 out of 10. To kind of show you my confidence that I have in this product, I wanted to use it for twists. And the initial plan was to use the butter as just like twist and then wear the twist as a hairstyle. But I want to show you what it's gonna do to my hair for a twist out. My twists have basically had all day to dry. It is 2:34 a.m. and I started on these twists. I finished them at 5. We're gonna see the results look like. I already know what they're gonna look like though, but y'all are gonna see what the results look like. So this is my hair after just unraveling the twist. I still haven't picked it out or anything. Probably not gonna pick it out too much just because I don't know, I like this flat look on me, at least today. Yeah, do y'all see how springy my hair is? I know y'all see this definition too. Crazy. Come through, Carol's daughter. The curl enhancing butter, it's good enough to use by itself. I've used it in the summer when I got lazy. My wash and goes, I would just use that after a leave-in conditioner and my hair would turn out just fine. So I'm just separating some of the chunky twists. Okay, y'all, so I think this is all the separating I'm gonna do. This is how I'm gonna wear my hair. Do y'all like this look? Do y'all like the results? Just keep in mind that I only use like one product. I'd recommend them in this order. Curl enhancing butter for sure, the conditioner, the shampoo, and then the deep conditioner. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, then give me a big thumbs up. Comment below, subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. So yeah, I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all on my next video.